Hi Sophie, ready?
Yes, wedding tonight.
Hi Sophie, ready?
Yes, wedding tonight.
Soft glam wool suit. Primer first.
It makes it last.
Soft glam wool suit. Primer first.
It makes it last.
Yes, and smooth skin. Foundation now.
Feels light.
Yes, and smooth skin. Foundation now.
Feels light.
Good. Concealer under eyes.
I need that.
Good. Concealer under eyes.
I need that.
Brows next.
Keep them natural.
Brows next.
Keep them natural.
Done. Gold eyeshadow.
Yes, matches dress.
Done. Gold eyeshadow.
Yes, matches dress.
Adding liner.
Looks nice.
Adding liner.
Looks nice.
Mascara now. Blink slowly.
Okay.
Mascara now. Blink slowly.
Okay.
Peach blush, highlighter too.
Pretty glow.
Peach blush, highlighter too.
Pretty glow.
Nude pink lipstick. Finished.
Love it.
Nude pink lipstick. Finished.
Love it.
Gorgeous. Enjoy the wedding. Gorgeous. Enjoy the wedding.